In China, every mega project is a challenge that pushes the limits of the impossible. Futuristic megastructures appear ahead of their time, engineering marvels rising against the force of nature. China's greatest engineering marvels by way of skyline time lapses, the construction cranes, the aerial dams, and the bridges. Hi, I'm Marvelous Mark, and welcome to the Diaspora Project channel. I'll be your host for today. So China also leads the world in drones, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Today we dive into the most astonishing feats of China engineering and a few lesser known projects that are truly remarkable. Today we'll be talking about the Chongqing, the mountain city, a mega city built on mountains terrain bisected by the Yangtze and the Jialang River. Yeah, elevated highways and multi-level tunnels weave together to create a city that feels almost impossible, straight out of a sci-fi movie. Now we have the Chongqing Rail Transit. The Chongqing Rail Transit is famous for an extraordinary solution to limited space. At Liziba Station, the metro runs directly through a residential building. Chongqing is also becoming a robotics hub. Universities and tech fairs showcase humanoid and industrial robots, affordable bipedal machines with sensors, vision system, and real-life processing. Mass production is on the horizon. Robots for factories, hospitality, even caregiving. Within 5 to 10 years, they may hold fluent conversations, read emotions, and controversially even serve as champions. Number 2, we have the Raffles City, the Crystal. Raffles City, 8 skyscrapers bridged by a massive horizontal structure called the Crystal. A sailboat of towers paying homage to Chongqing River's port history. They walk the glass observation deck and peer down at the meeting of the Yangtze and Jialing. There is a 1,000 trees hanging gardens of Shanghai. 1,000 trees, nicknamed the Hanging Garden of Shanghai, is an urban mountain wrapped in vegetation. Hundreds of trees and thousands of plants across the staggered levels, choosing to bloom in different seasons, so the building's facade is constantly changing. The Goputan ship lifts, a massive engineering solution carved into the mountains of Wu River. Ships enter a tunnel and a watertight chamber that rises or lowers them between elevations, reconnecting regions once isolated by steep terrain. On our next list, we have the drone shows. Drone shows have replaced fireworks in many cities. Hundreds of thousands of illuminated drones perform synchronized aerial choreography, driven by high precision, that is GPS, autonomous flight algorithm, and a single central computer that turns 3D designs into 5 parts. These displays now tell stories with complex animations. Next is the Chimelong Ocean Kingdom. Chimelong Ocean Kingdom, home to world's largest aquarium, a themed marine park with roller coasters and a gigantic tank housing whale sharks alongside manta rays and thousands of fish. Whale sharks can reach up to 18 meters, an unforgettable sight. Next one, we have the Qinghai Tibet Railway. The Qinghai Tibet Railway connects Xining with Lhasa and is the world's largest railway, reaching 5,000 meters above sea level, with scarce oxygen at the altitude carriages, which are pressured and equipped with supplemental oxygen, opening Tibet to rail travel for the first time. The next on our list, the New Century Global Center. In Chengdu, they stand the New Century Global Center, the largest building by total floor area, a city under one roof, shopping, entertainment, offices, hotels, even an artificial beach with a digital sky and controlled waves. The Guangguan Shopping Mall. The Guangguan Shopping Mall in Chongqing resembles a futuristic jungle beneath a glass dome, suspended platforms with 3 aquatic gardens on the ground floor, and seasonal themes ranging from Jurassic landscape to balloon skies. We have the Qingdao Bay bridges. Qingdao Bay Bridge connects Qingdao with a Y-shaped design, built to withstand strong winds and marine corrosions. It uses thousands of pilings anchored to the Sebao and was constructed for a lifespan of at least a century. The next one, the Fast Radio Telescope. Fast in Guizhou Province is the world's largest and most sensitive radio telescope. Its dish picks up faint signals from distant galaxies pulsars and perhaps one day signs of extraterrestrial life. The Guangzhou Circle. Guangzhou Circle, the world's tallest circular building at about 138 meters. Its ring-like form evokes an ancient Chinese coin and is clad in golden glasses. Three Gorges Dam. The Three Gorges Dam, the planet's largest hydroelectric power station, reshaping navigation and producing roughly 2% of China's energy. Its locks function as a water staircase, and its ship lifts can raise vessels up to 3,000 tons in around 40 minutes. We have the Chengdu Supercomputing Center. In Chengdu, a cube-shaped supercomputing center clad in incandescent panels houses a machine capable of quadrillions of circulation per second. Unlike hidden data centers, this cube was meant to be admired. We have the Oppo R&D Center. The Oppo R&D complex in Dongwon uses glass walls and sunshade to maximize daylight and minimize energy use. The campus mixes labs, testing facilities, housing, and leisure spaces arranged in interconnected rings. Next, the Atelier ladders. In the remote village of Atelier in Sichuan, vertical steel staircase replaced dangerous rope ladders built quickly with lightweight material. They reduce a 2 to 3 hour cliff climb to just 30 to 40 minute section, tilt up to 70 degrees. The Yangtze Expressway, the Sky Road. The Yangtze Expressway, nicknamed the Sky Road, links Yan and Xinjiang across mountains and fog. It includes 270 viaducts and 25 tunnels, often giving drivers the sensation of floating through the clouds. The next is the Foxen Bullet Train. The Foxen Bullet Train is China's most advanced high-speed train, reliable across extreme weather, is an astonishing punctuality margin that has less than 10 seconds on long routes. We have the Wuhan Suspended Monorail. The Wuhan Suspended Monorail, the Skystream, runs beneath an elevated track and it's full of electric. It is a green alternative for congested urban corridors that can't host underground metro lines. We have the Zhaolangdi Dam. Don't mind me if I cannot get most of this pronunciation correctly. Most of them are Chinese, and as you do know, I do not know how to speak Chinese. The Zhaolangdi Dam tames the silt-laden Yellow River. It combines reservoir management, sediment flushing, power generation, and navigation. Even dramatic high-pressure gate release that draws photographers and tourists. We have the Chengdu SKP Park. The Chengdu SKP Park hides a commercial complex on the ground, turning the surface into a large public park. Subterranean retail thrives below, while above fountains and Tower of Vitality create an immersive urban oasis. Next is the Taklamakan Desert Highway, which crosses shifting sand dunes, once a forbidden wasteland. To stabilize the road, thousands of shrubs and trees were planted to form an ecological barrier against encroaching sand. The next we have the Danyang-Koshan Grand Bridge. The Danyang-Koshan Grand Bridge is the world's largest bridge of about 165 kilometers, allowing high-speed trains to glide uninterrupted over rivers and farmland. 10,000 workers completed it in under 4 years. Next is the Duge Bridge. The Duge Bridge spans the Baipan River Canyon in a dramatic misty landscape. So high it feels suspended in the sky and ranks among the world's highest bridges. We have the Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland. The Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland was built into an abandoned quarry stretching down the cliff face. As an eco-uses result, it reduces lake water and uses the quarry thermal mass for climate control. Next, we have the Port of Shanghai, the world's largest and busiest port. It links China's interiors to global markets. On a single day, it can move more containers than some countries handle in a year. Then we have the Hangzhou Olympic Sport. The Hangzhou Olympic Sports Centers, it is inspired by the lotus flower hosted by the Asians in 2022 Games. It is a metallic pedal and programmed LED roof created to dazzle light in shows. Next on our list is the Alibaba's campus in Hangzhou. It is more like a smart small city which has plazas, gardens, artificial lakes and covered walkways, prioritizing human skill over towering glass giants. The Beijing Daxing Airport, it is nicknamed the Starfish, using curved corridors for radiating for a central core for efficient passenger movement. With a capacity for up to 100 million travelers, it aims to be the world's busiest. The Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge, suspended between mountains with a fully transport floor, can support hundreds of visitors and has become a benchmark for glass bridge engineering. Next, we have the South-North Water Transfer Project. China's South-North Water Transfer is the largest water division project ever built, moving water from the humid south to the dry north via canals and tunnels. Construction began in 2002 on an idea first proposed in the 1950s. Next, we have the Hong Kong Tahibi Makwa. The bridge combines sea bridges, underwater tunnels, and artificial islands, solving navigation constraints with submerged tunnels and man-made islands for logistics. Lastly, the Tialong Mountain Road. The Tialong Mountain Road near Taiyuan is a tourist highlight, a triple-level spiral viaduct winding like a coal dragon around the mountain, providing dramatic views and a smooth climb. If you would like to see more of this, come back for our next video where we'll be showing you more of either the Tialong Mountain or the Hong Kong rivers. So come back for our next episode. We love you so much. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and also comment.